Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hopefully you guys can actually hear me well because I don't have my mic. If it's your first time here, my name is Bethel. Normally I make Amazon videos, but I haven't done so like over a year. But then I keep getting comments on my old videos with like questions and stuff. But today's video is going to be how to apply for a job at Amazon. So this is going to be specifically to the warehouse. You can use the same website to apply for like, higher level positions. But I'm going to be talking about like the level 1 position for a warehouse. I'm actually at my lunch. I chose you guys over Chick-fil-A, so you're welcome. Note that this video is not sponsored by Amazon. I am doing this out of my own accord and out of my own good heart because a lot of people have told me to make this video about how to apply for a job at Amazon. So this is not coming from the company itself. This is coming from an individual. So don't quote me. By the way, I'm a level 3 at Amazon right now. So I've been here for 3 years. So I pretty much have helped a couple people apply and I pretty much know what I'm doing ish. But basically, okay, so there's a website. There's two websites actually. The first one is hiring.amazon.com. I'm going to include it in the description box, and the second one is amazonforce.com. Now the one I applied on was amazonforce.com. I helped somebody apply on amazonforce.com too, but I think hiring.amazon.com is a newer one and it's a more bougie and more easy to navigate one. So you might find the job posting on both, so you can use any one or you can check both for the job posting, but the one you're most likely to find the job on is probably the hiring.amazon.com. It's really easy to navigate. So I'm just going to go ahead and include on the side of the screen or on the whole screen like a step-by-step on how to go to the website and how to check for the job. So you can open your web browser on your phone or on your computer and type in hiring.amazon.com, and then when the website loads, allow it to use your location so that way you can find one that's closer to you. So now if you want specific ones, you can click to specific team, but if not, just click on search all jobs. So it's going to find the one that's closest to you and like that's currently open. So as you can see, there's two right there. I just clicked on one. The next thing I'm going to do is click on work shift. So now in this part, I can select the days on the shift I want to work. So click on it, then click on apply, and then it's going to take you through a short video that's going to like basically show you what to expect working there and the exact role you're working for. So after that, you're going to click on apply or continue, and then it's going to bring you here where you need to log in. So create an account if you don't have one. Hope that was helpful, like a guide to show you guys how to apply. Now after that, you're going to actually create an account, and then you're going to have a code. I think it's 6-digit code that you're going to need every single time you log in. So now here's a couple tips that's going to help you to apply in the job. The time you're looking for this job matters. So let's talk about the time of the year and like the time of the day, literally. So the time of the year to apply for jobs is going to be mostly, okay, so think of it this way. Amazon is definitely looking for more people during Prime, right? And Prime is typically July or June. So if you're looking for a job, you start looking at like May. What month are we in? We're in April, right? So April, a few jobs are going to drop, but like in May, there's probably going to be a lot of job posting. So be on the lookout if you're looking to apply for one. May is going to be a perfect time. Now after Prime, which is in July-ish, it's gonna slow down for a bit. But the thing is, remember, summer is like within that same time, so they're still looking for people during that time. And then when is the next time they normally hire? So again, they're going to hire for peak. The hiring might slow down, but it's not gonna be like at a halt. The only time it's at a halt is like at the start of the year, like January, February, March. These are slow months. Literally, there is no hiring except maybe there's a new site or something, but there's little to no hiring during this time. So April-ish, May, June, July, that's when you start looking for jobs. Now if you're trying to get in during like peak, which is from after Thanksgiving to December, you should start looking at August, October. So remember, your job application is going to take like around a month-ish, or like 2 to 3 weeks to kind of process and get through everything. So if you're looking to get a job, if Prime is in 2 weeks, you should definitely know, okay, let me apply for this like a month ahead of time. So that's pretty much the timeline. Now even though at a particular time of the year is when the jobs are being posted, people rush these jobs. Literally, like you see a job posting now with like 5 shifts, refresh your browser and it's gone. So how to target the time to actually look for these posts? I think early in the morning, like between 8 and 11:30 is when sometimes I've seen these job postings. In the noon, I've rarely seen anything, but if there's a lot, there's probably gonna still be some. So now early in the morning and late in the evening. Now what I'm going to advise you to do, what I did was I just checked out random times of the day, and then when I noticed there was job posting was in the morning and in the evening. Now this might be different for you. Why am I so thirsty? I haven't done a sit down video in forever. This is my first time trying Fanta strawberry. It's actually really good. I'll buy it again. I think I prefer this to the actual other orange flavor, but that's aside the point. Now like I said, when applying, Try checking in the morning, try checking in the afternoon, try checking in the evening. You're going to notice that there's a pattern on when these jobs are being posted. That's when you should be checking. But like I said, between 8 and 11:30 in the morning, and like late evening, like say 5 to 7, that's when I have seen job postings. Now when you apply through the steps I showed you guys in the previous clip, and then you create your login and everything, there's going to be a few things. Now the first thing you're going to have is, after you filled out the form and everything, after you've done everything, you're going to have an appointment. So now this appointment is not your day one. This appointment is just an appointment to get your picture taken for your badge and to verify that technically you exist. With Amazon, you do not need an interview. It's like literally you apply and you've gotten all you need to apply, you've gotten the job. There's background check, but I've literally seen people come to work with monitors on their legs, which means they just got out of prison. But I'm basically but not like they're bad people, like they're actually like the best souls ever. My point is, even if the background check comes up with something in your past, Amazon's pretty much free with like hiring anyone who is going to actually do the work. Just apply for that. Then you're gonna first get your appointment. The appointment is gonna take your badge picture. You don't have to dress corporate for this. I've seen some people wear suit and ties, but just wear anything you're going to wear. Nobody's gonna send you back. So you have the appointment, take your badge picture, show your ID, and then after that you're gonna send you a couple emails. Then you're gonna have your day one. Now day one is when you actually start the job. I'm going to make an entirely different video to talk about that because my break's almost over. And these fries are getting cold and I do not like cold fries. But if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. If you have suggestions or like videos I should make concerning Amazon, let me know as well, and I'll be happy to help you guys. By the way, if you've applied for a job at Amazon and you're anticipating your day one, click on this link or this box, or just go to my video that says Zappos shoes, because you're definitely gonna need to order your shoes for Zappos, and I have a video. It's really helpful on how to order Zappos shoes. Okay, so there's technically like 8 steps for the application. Oh my gosh, I shouldn't be eating. You're going to like just go to that website, apply. Technically when you click it, it's going to prompt you to create an account. You create an account, it gives you like a code that you're not supposed to forget, to write it somewhere in your notes so you don't forget it, so it's easier to come back whenever you come back to the website. After applying, you complete your application. That is your bio, your I-9 documents and stuff like that. Then you choose your shift. You can probably do this choosing of shift thing in the first step, but then you choose like what days you're going to work. There's normally like different cohorts. Normally it's 4 days a week for 10-hour shifts, which I like a lot. Now make sure you know what you're doing. Oh, here's a trick to know. If you're applying for the back half days, which is like if you're working Saturday and Sunday, you're actually getting an extra $1 for just working the weekend. So put that into consideration when you're choosing your shift. So you're going to get your offer letter. If everything looks good, go ahead and accept it. I don't think you have to accept it. Actually, you may. If you don't have to, then it's already given to you. They're going to do your background check, and then you're going to schedule an appointment, which is an appointment to go to a new hire event. This is not your day one. This is just to go and get your picture taken for your badge, and also to submit some other, like just to see your ID to verify you exist. Some sites are going to do a drug test on this day. Some sites may not. Like AMZL typically does not do a drug test on this day. Why I think the FCs may do a drug test on this day. You know, it's not, they might do it, they might not, but just be prepared in case they do it. And then they're going to do your background check. It's not really a big deal. Like your background should be good enough. I don't see a bad enough background that they wouldn't hire you with. As far as you can work, Amazon's going to employ you. And the last step is going to be to submit your application, which is then you get your day one date, and then you come in for your day one, which I'm going to make another video about. Now it's a very easy process, and anybody can literally get a job at Amazon. Just when you start applying, follow every single step and you're going to be good. Read every email, do everything the email is asking you to do, and you're going to be good. If you have any questions or feel like I didn't cover some aspect of applying for a job at Amazon, let me know and I'll probably talk about that in my next video. The thing is, I don't have time for sit-down videos once I'm at home. Like once I get home, I literally sew, but I'm gonna create time for it. It's important that I help souls find jobs. But anywho, you're welcome. I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye.